Oxford Read and Discover. Level 2. Electricity. We use electricity every day. We use electricity in lamps, computers, and refrigerators. We use electricity to cook, to watch television, and to listen to music. What do you use electricity for? How do we make electricity?
Discover!
Now read and discover more about electricity. Chapter 1. Electricity. Electricity is a type of energy. Energy makes things work. We use electricity to make machines work. We use electric machines in our homes, schools, and offices. We can use electricity in trains, cars, and some buses too. Electric machines help us to do many things in the kitchen. We use a kettle to make water hot. We use a refrigerator to keep our food cold. And we use a stove to cook our food. We use a washing machine to wash our clothes, and we use a dishwasher to wash our dishes. How many electric machines can you see here? Chapter 2. Electricity in Nature. There's electricity in nature. In the Arctic and the Antarctic, electricity from the sun makes red and green colors in the sky. The colors are amazing. Lightning is a type of electricity in the sky, too. Lightning has lots of energy. It's very, very hot. When you see lightning in the sky, go into your home. Lightning can give you an electric shock. That's when electricity goes into your body. Then it can kill you.
Discover!
The electric ray has electricity in its body. It uses electricity to catch and eat other fish. Chapter 3. How we make electricity. We make electricity in power stations. We use this electricity to make machines work. Many power stations use coal to make electricity. We burn the coal to make water hot. Hot water makes steam. The steam turns a turbine. The turbine turns a generator. Then the generator makes electricity. Some power stations don't use coal. This power station uses water from a river. The water in the river turns turbines. We can use wind to make electricity too. This is a wind farm. The wind turns turbines to make electricity. Chapter 4. Batteries. Some machines get electricity from batteries. We put batteries into lots of machines to make them work. Calculators, cameras, cell phones, and watches get electricity from batteries. We can take these machines with us when we move. Do you have machines that use batteries? Most batteries are small. They make electricity for small machines. Some machines use 2 or more batteries to work. Big batteries make electricity for big machines. A car battery helps a car to work.
Discover.
Some satellites have batteries too. Giant batteries make some satellites work. Chapter 5. How we get electricity. We use lots of electricity in our homes. Electricity moves from power stations to our homes. How does it get there? Electricity moves in wires. The wires take electricity from a power station. The wires take electricity to our homes, schools, and offices too. Then we can use it. Wires take electricity to sockets. We put a plug in a socket to use electricity. Electricity goes from the socket to the plug. Wires take electricity from the plug to electric machines. It's bad to put too many plugs in one socket. The socket can get too hot and burn. Chapter 6. How electricity moves. Electricity moves through some materials. Electricity moves fast through metal. Metal wires take electricity from power stations to our homes. Electricity moves through water, too.
Discover.
Don't touch electric machines with wet hands. You can get an electric shock. Electricity can't move through some materials. Electricity can't move through plastic or glass. These things stop electricity moving. Plugs have plastic on them. Plastic stops electricity moving to us when we touch a plug. Glass stops electricity moving from wires into a metal pylon. The glass stops electricity moving to the ground. Chapter 7. Stop pollution. Many power stations burn coal to make electricity. This makes pollution. What can we do to stop pollution? We can turn off lamps, computers, and other machines when we are not using them. We can have a shower, not a bath. We can get electricity from power stations that make electricity with wind or water. These power stations don't make pollution. We can also use the sun to make electricity. Solar panels use energy from the sun to make electricity. Solar panels don't make pollution. How can you stop pollution? Chapter 8. Be safe. How can you be safe with electricity? Don't put electric machines next to water. Electricity can move through water to you. Firefighters don't use water to stop electric machines burning. They use powder to stop the fire.
Discover.
Don't fly a kite next to electricity wires. Electricity can move from the kite to you. It isn't safe to put your fingers in sockets or electric machines. Electricity can move from the socket or the machine to you. It can give you an electric shock. Remember to be safe with electricity. Electricity helps us to do many things every day and every night. Electricity is amazing.